Hey everybody, it's Wendy B with LPT, and I just want to show you I ordered my open house power pack from LPT and it arrived, and I have placed the rider on the sign that shows that the open house is on November 11th, 11/11 from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and this will be some pre-marketing for people that drive by and that they know that we have an open house coming. In that power box also includes some postcards to mail out, some business cards, some thank you cards, and just a whole lot of great marketing materials. So we're excited to be holding this open house here at 720 Southeast 9th Place. And we look forward to seeing you. We will have light refreshments and some snacks for everybody. Again, that's on November 11th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. We'll see you then. Bye.